Okay, we are a essential business because we manufacture cleaning chemicals and sell cleaning equipment. However, like everyone else, we're really concerned about the Covid-19 disease. So I'm going to show y'all what we've been doing here. I want you to wash your hands when you're in our showroom. We maintain 6-foot distance, use the hand sanitizer, no public restroom, and of course I don't want anybody going back in the shop. Let me show you what we've done here. We got a portable hand washing station here where you use soap and water to wash your hands and of course dry them off, and we have the bucket and stuff over there. So that's the first thing you do when you come in. And then you get to see Jason because he's here taking care of business. Of course, when you get up here, there's hand sanitizer for you to use. And then we have a towel warmer UV sterilizer, which we're actually using to sterilize our mail. And how that works is you just put that in and hold the button down and you can see the UV light. It heats it up to about 158 to 160 degrees. And so we leave that in there. How long are you leaving it in there?
Just about an hour.
About an hour? Yeah, that's probably way overkill. But it's really important, I feel like. The other thing we're doing, which is probably the main thing that's making me feel the most comfortable, is at night when we close, we're using an ozone machine to ozone the entire showroom. I'm not permitting anyone into the back at all, employees only. It's just, there's too much of an area back there. There's no way I can control that. So employees only back there. The ozone machines. What we do is, how long are you leaving them on? About an hour?
2 hours.
2 hours. So 2 hours at night, every night. We turn them on to go when we leave. So that's finished by whatever time. And then by the time the next morning, it's all, it's dissipated, so it's safe. But you cannot use these in an occupied space. These will kill you, kill your plants, kill your dogs, so do not do that. We have a few of these for sale. These are a little bit heavier duty and have a UV light in them as well. These are $400. This one's $159 and these are $159. I think we only have one of those. It's dented, so we'll probably just use that one for us, but we have a few to sell. We have a few of these and a few of those. If anybody has one or is interested in one, I have no interest in shipping this out to anybody. Really, we're shipping big stuff, but we're not shipping 1 gallons or 5 gallons right now. And we're not going to ship anything like that. That'll be for any local people who might want one. Give us a call. Call me, 918-4000, or call Jason at 738-3442. 903 area code, of course. You can call our office, but we are here. We're open, but we're trying to be extremely careful. So if you come up here, please help us be careful as well. All right, you got anything to say?
Well, on top of the ozone generators, we do circulate the air to help spread
Absolutely.
The ozone around. But other than that, you said
Yeah,
it
and
all.
so we feel pretty confident that every morning at least, we're
fresh.
Yeah, we're starting fresh. I imagine what we're going to want to do pretty quick is maybe start wearing masks. And really, for that's more for us because we don't have N95s. We probably have a few, but not enough for it to matter. That's just to remind us not to touch your face. So you need a pressure washer. We got plenty of equipment here and in the back. That's long enough, but that's what we're doing. Thanks.